Hi there, welcome to the Ingredient Channel. Here I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes and occasionally introduce authentic and unique ingredients. Today, I'm going to share a delicious braised duck homemade recipe, and the secret ingredient is beer. Excited and curious about what beer does in the recipe? Keep watching. I am using half a medium-sized duck, which I have chopped into smaller pieces. To clean the duck meat, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And a pinch of salt. Massage until the dried flour is all mashed on the duck meat. Then thoroughly rinse in cold water. Once processed, the duck meat will be tender and not dry after being cooked. We also need ginger root slices, about 10, 2 bulbs of scallions cut into rings, 3 or 4 small red chili peppers, then some basil leaves. In a bowl, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of fermented black beans. In a heated pan, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Sear the duck meat over medium heat. Until oil comes out of the duck meat and the duck meat turns brown. This is going to take some time. Add in the ginger slices, white part of the scallion rings, the garlic, and red chili pepper. Stir fry a few more times. Then add in the liquid ingredients. half a teaspoon of salt, now the exciting part, add a can of beer. Three or four pieces of rock candies, 2 dried bay leaves, 1 star anise. Cover the lid, bring to a boil, and simmer for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, open the lid, high heat to condense the liquid. At the same time, pick out the bay leaves, ginger slices, and star anise. Then switch off the heat. Drizzle a bit of cooking oil for the shiny color. And look, add the basil leaves and the rest of green onion rings. Transfer to a plate and enjoy. Duck usually has a strong gamey odor, but the beer eliminates it, leaving the meat covered in a delicious sauce. That is the answer. Wondering about how tasty this dish is? Give the recipe a try. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this simple recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture and the unique ingredients. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!